Hi everyone. Today I have it's a new update right now. So what it means that is the character and all it's both having the same mesh, right? So whether the character have a cloth or not, so still there is still skin being shown. But if you go in texture in this mode, I kind of forgot material mode. Now if you go over there, and now you guys can see that it's empty right now. So what it means that is the character skin and the cloth won't overlap each other. I tried my best to weight paint the character in such a way that they both doesn't overlap, but it's still overlap. So now for example, I'll just hide some all of these, and I select the character, next one. So these are the alpha texture that's being used. So if the character is not wearing anything, so it means she's naked, right? So there you go, she's naked right now. But if the character is wearing some clothes but not shoes, so you can hide this one. So that means the character is wearing a pant and a shirt. So there you go. But if the character is wearing just a shirt, not pant, so simply just hide this one out and that's it. So it's very easy to use. I have created this shader, this node shader by myself, so you can use this thing however you like. So there you go, you can use this for your game purpose. Right now I didn't try it on it, so I hope you guys can just figure it out how to use this texture map. So we have this a female alpha, then comes shirt 2 alpha and pant 2 alpha, so and shoes 2 alpha. So thank you so much, bye.